out, and we are saying that we stand to uphold the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. What the president has done is uncalled for. The issue in Rivers is something that we have a minister who is under the president, whom he cannot call to order. The minister is working in FCT and is doing well. He needs to allow Rivers to be the Rivers people. Women and children are suffering. And what we are talking is, what has been introduced is the president has introduced military rule to Nigeria. And that is very, very sad. Because many of us on this table joined in struggling for democracy in Nigeria. And what we are watching out for now is that being watched before us. So the president should not say that he's not the one that introduced this. The president ought to have been seen, or maybe we perceived him to be somebody who struggled and fought for democracy. But today, what we are having is a president introducing military rule because a general is in charge of Rivers. Even when other presidents try to bring in state of emergency, which is a concern, for certain reasons, they never dismantle the power of democracy. They are able to respect the elected authority. And so we are calling on the president to reverse this and allow peace to reign. And all those who are in the assembly of Rivers, you are busy fighting. Your people elected you to be able to represent the people. And one key thing that we need to also look at is that many of those who are moving from one party to the other, we want to remind them that they never voted for their names during the elections. They voted for the parties. If you move, the provisions in the Constitution is very clear that when you move from one party to the other, the seat is declared, vacant. But we are not declaring those seats vacant. People are jubilating when they move from one party to the other. They are still holding on to their seats. Their own constitutionality of the environment or the political class is really, really sad for Nigerians. And so we call for restoration of democracy back in Rivers State, and let the governor who is elected reign in peace. Thank you.
Thank you very much.